Okay, you guys, as you can see, the road's closed. This guy's gonna die. These guys are kayaking, being safe. Look at this. Like, I don't know, man. This current flow, they're letting in a lot of water from somewhere. Soon we'll be underwater, for sure. I don't know what the fuck. It's almost over the tracks. Look at the bridgeway. I should tell you. Fuck, look that way. I mean, there's really nowhere else for them to drain the water other than the way they're doing it, to be honest. See? This is insane. We're probably gonna flood. I've never seen this much water in this creek. Never. So, yeah. This is Shingle Creek. This is what old Tampa looks like. It's pretty shitty, if you ask me. The safest ground, if you want to check it out, is the train track. Walk it. I wouldn't prefer it, though. It looks like that shit's rising quick. You see that thing? That's no joke. These guys must be doing something for the news or something. I'm not too sure, but look at the back buildings of Good Samaritan. Let me zoom in here to the back of the bitches. I mean, there's really nothing over there. It's demolished. It's ruined. All the new condos are ruined. It's fucking halfway past the door. See that meter stander back there? That bitch shouldn't even be there, but it is. It's supposed to be way over there by Good Samaritan. It shifted a whole lot. So you gotta be careful, man, and safe. A lot of fish. Lots of them. This is life, though. You gotta do what you gotta do. It's just crazy. So insane. It's a lot of fucking water, you ask me. Look at this guy with the trailer. Jeez, he did that. Look. I'll go this way so y'all can see. So I'm not bullshitting. Wouldn't recommend it. It's pretty high. Honestly, we could be swallowed if we want. See, this water's flowing that way. But if you go on this side, look. It's pushing the water our way into that area, which is flooding our fucking area. So they're not flushing, they're flooding. This shit's just ridiculous, man. Can't believe it. That people's just ruining their nice vehicles. The roads are closed. Why the fuck would you drive down it? To ruin your vehicle. That's a jacked up truck. You understand me? Thing's got every bit of a 4-inch, 6-inch lift. Oh, he might die. Letting off that throttle too much. But yeah, see, The water's going our way. Bloop. So, it's a good thing I got tanks and petrol. We gonna need her. There's no water on this track. But the railroad track cannot be used, I don't think, due to all these trees here down. I seen one car go by on it. And I was like, yeah, I'm gonna ride out on the track while I get wet. I can stay dry. But yeah, this is insane. Thank God, man. Y'all don't live over this way. But yeah, I'm gonna get up off here now.